Hey, what is up, guys? And this is Hassan from EdgeTech, and today I'm bringing you a full review of the Aurora S6 port, S6 Edge Plus actually port, version 3.0, version 3.0, not the 7.10. 7.0 comes before the 3.0. I know that's confusing. That's how it works. It's upon Android 5.1.1 as you saw there, and it's obviously got that S6 Edge, Apps Edge, and People's Edge going on. This is the app drawer. You can see the slide transition when the apps go down and then back up, and all the icons. This is not a theme. This is on the stock. So I do have a Note 5 theme, but I don't need to use that because I have this. So the user interface is pretty smooth in this, guys, and the flipboard is also really fast. Just when you turn on, just turn on your device. You just be sure to get into it once so that the content loads. Then you don't need to load it again until you turn off, and you get the point. But it's otherwise really quick, and it's basically the same as a user interface. Let's get into some apps like the phone. As you can see, you have that Note 5 S6 Edge thing going on with every app, and as you can see, we have kind of this motif going on, which is like a rectangular motif with the corners curved, just like in here, and you can customize it to your liking. It's based upon the 5.1, so you get all the material design infused with Touch Wiz, and it is really good. And so basically this performs really well, and I will be sure to leave a link down in the description. The latest XT thread, whenever you're watching it, no matter, download the latest one and flash it via a custom recovery on obviously your rooted Android, and not Android, the S4 GT i9500 only. So basically it's been it, guys, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to rate and comment, and see you next time, and please give me some suggestions for the next video. Bye bye now.